All right, y'all, we got 2 pounds of ground meat. First up, y'all, we're gonna hit it with that pepper. Go right across, y'all know I love that pepper. Hit it with some pepper. We're gonna lay some pepper down on the tray right here. Then we're going across there with that sea salt. That SBO sea salt right across it like that. Lay some down on the tray, a little salt, pepper there. Y'all, now what we doing, y'all, we making them little mini meatballs. So we're just gonna kind of mix it up like that. Get it all mixed around. And we're gonna pull out a little bit right there. And we wanna make, let's see, we're gonna make little mini meatballs like that. The salt and pepper we got laying here, we're gonna kind of flip it around like that. And look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's meatball number 1 right there. Go making up that last meatball. Getting all that salt and pepper off there. Check that out. Get it all a little round up like that, round up. Ooh, check that out, B. Got all the little meatballs all ready to go. All right, y'all, first thing we'll do, y'all, we're gonna get some of that bacon up right there. Drop it down in there and melt that bacon up down. All right, baby, we're gonna start dropping them little meatballs down in that pot. Ooh. Hear them frying down in there? You check out the meatballs, show it to them down in there. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull them little meatballs out like that. We're gonna place them on this plate right here. And y'all see how crispy I got them? That's how I like them right there. Gonna have that good little crunch to them right there. We got all them meatballs out there, check that out right there. All right, next up, we're going in that pot with a cup of flour. We'll drop that flour in there a little bit at a time like that. Ooh, now we're making the base, y'all. Now we're gonna make that roux right here. All right, B, look down in there. See all that right there on the bottom? See how all that's coming loose right there? Well, we're gonna help it out, y'all. Now we're going in there with that Trinity. We're gonna drop some Trinity down in there like that. Get that all cooked down in there. Watch this, y'all. All right, we're raking all that back, B. Watch this here. We're gonna go ahead and put a little beef broth in there. Look at that. See that starting to boil right there? Watch this, B. See all that coming off that bottom right there? See that? That's all flavor, y'all. Now we're gonna hit it with some more of that beef broth like that. Mmm. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You can get that good and stirred and mixed up right here. Get that all mixed up like that. Mmm. Look at that, look at that. All that's coming off the bottom. All looking nice.
Ooh.
Oh! I think I had him a little bit too close.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Timmy, I need another one. All right, now we're gonna hit it with some of that brown sugar water. Get that in there like that, about a half a bottle. Get that all mixed in like that. Look at that, B. Look at that color change. See that? Adding a little flavor to it, adding a little darkness to it. Oh, that's gonna be good right there. Now y'all know I love that black pepper. Now we're gonna hit it with some of that black pepper juice. Look at that, seasoning. Get that all in there like that. Get that all mixed up. And you just want to keep rubbing the bottom of that pot. Look at that. Keep rubbing the bottom of that pot. Like, we're gonna hit it with that Southern Boys all-purpose. Oh yeah, look at that color going on right there, y'all. B, look at that. Look how all that's starting to cook down right there. Look at them onions and bell pepper and celery in it. Got that gravy all just perfect. Now we're going in there with some mixed vegetables. That's carrots and green beans. We're gonna dump the whole bowl in there, y'all. Like that. We're just gonna get that all mixed in there. We got all the mixed vegetables, everything in there. Getting it all cooked down. And what we want to do now, B, knock that spoon off like that. We're gonna lid it up and let it simmer cook for about 15 minutes before we add the meatballs. All right, B, let's check it out. Ooh, man, look how good that's looking right there. Oh my goodness. All right, now y'all, time to add them meatballs back in there. I'll drop the meatballs down in there like that. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now get them all mixed down in there. You don't want to add your meatballs back in too soon. Add them right back in right there towards right when it's almost done, and this here is going to be perfect. I'm telling you, we're going to lid it back up. We're going to let it simmer cook for about another 10 minutes and ready to serve. Don't get no better than this. All right, babe, check this out. Look how pretty that looks. Now you can eat it over rice like this, or you can eat it right over mashed potatoes like that. Look at that. Boy, don't that look good right there. Go in there. Let's taste it over that rice first. Oh, that's pretty good right there. All right, let's taste it over the mashed potatoes one time. All right, let's try one of the meatballs. Look at that little meatball right there. Just cut it in half like that. Get some of the mashed potatoes on it. Oh, man. I'm telling you, it's good both ways. Over rice, over mashed potatoes, meatball stew, you got to try this awesome recipe right here, y'all.